have my supplies here, and I've already printed my stuff here and laid it out to put together. But I've already messed up, so this is still going to be a tester. I'm going to work around my errors, but I'm just going to be putting it together. So the background behind this is that my friend knows someone who will be presenting at the Chicago Zine Fest, and this is the first time I made a zine, but the fact that it could be distributed is what excites me, so that's why I'm making one. I took these photos with my friend as a photo shoot, and I like magazines in general, but I haven't thought about putting my photos together in a magazine format because I was like, oh, it's too expensive to print. But like, if you print it yourself, you can have your work in a physical thing, and that's always good. So let me show you my tools. This is an owl. You'll use it to put holes in your paper. This is wax for the string, and then I'm gonna use pink string to bind it. This is just embroidery floss. So yeah, excited. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna measure this out and do my stuff. So I'm taking my measuring tape because I don't know where my ruler is. And I'm just gonna, this is 6 inches. 6 inches. So I'm going to divide that by 3 and put maybe 2 inches, but that doesn't make sense. Whatever, I'm gonna do math. So what I think I'm going to do is put 3 holes in each thing, in each fold that I've printed out. This is just regular printer paper that I've cut out. And yeah, I don't know. I'm guessing. I'm really guessing here. Okay, so what I've done is I put a dot at the halfway mark, and then I did it halfway between these points. Yeah, that makes sense. I also have to wax my string, and so that's what this is for. And you're just supposed to hold the wax and drag it. I don't even know how much I need. I'm gonna do an arm's length. I don't know. Awesome. So now this is waxed, and it feels a little stiffer than before, if you can tell. But it's waxed. I'm going to use my needle. I'm going to thread my needle. Now it's threaded. And I need to put my holes in, so let me do that. So I'm going to take my out and put a hole in it. OMG, what if I rip it? So I just put a piece of cardboard down so that I can punch holes without damaging anything. And I'm just gonna do it on both sides. And I got holes in it, yo! And then I'm just gonna do the same for every piece that I have. I have to measure every piece I have. Are you joking?
A little while later.
Okay, y'all, I'm happy to report I finished putting holes in it. And then I have to, because I messed up, I have to somehow sew these together, and then I will insert them in the book. But yeah, if I did it correctly, then I should be able to just stack them on top of each other, fold it all in half, and then do it like that. But because I messed up, these are all individually folded in half, as you can see. So yeah,